How to end call with power button or side button on iPhone. To end a call with the power button or side button on your iPhone, you first need to open up Settings from your home screen. Once you're in, you then need to scroll down a little bit. Then, tap on Accessibility. Here, it allows you to personalize your iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Now, scroll down to the touch option. Then, go to this Prevent Lock to End Call option. Make sure this option is toggled off. Once you toggle on this option, it will prevent the side button from ending the current call. So to access this feature of ending calls with the side button, you need to toggle off this option over here. By following these simple steps, you can easily end call with power button or side button on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.